What's going on, guys? This is your boy Awesome with INVESTOFY, and in today's video, I'm going to go over the top 5 growth stocks that I'm buying in April 2021. But before we do that, real quick, we're going to take a look at one of our wins that we've had recently as part of our premium subscription. So, Brooks Automation is one of the alerts that was sent on March 26th, 2021 to our students, and it was at the price of 81.39 or market price with stop loss at 64, and you take the profit at $99. And I still believe that this stock has a lot of potential. The value of the stock can grow higher, but as we're sending out these alerts, our goal is to just for you guys to make consistent income from them. So this is what's happened. As you can see, currently, the stock has gone above the 99 level and kind of pulled back yesterday over 2.85, but it hit over $100. We've seen a plus 20% gains on this stock, and you can see my beautiful handwriting right here. And again, I do believe that Brooks Automation has a lot more potential at this point. I can see the stock going to 150, even $200 a share. But as for our subscribers, again, going back, we just wanted them to know that, hey, you've made some good money off of this. You can take it off. And if you want to continue riding the wave, you can do so. But even for you guys as subscribers, I think this stock still has a lot of potential. You can buy into this stock now. And I think if you can put a stop loss at about this level of 70 right here, that would be good. And it's a great company in the semiconductors space, which is blowing up because of a lack of supply. So yeah, huge potential here. So let's get started with the 5 growth stocks to buy in April 2021 that I am buying. First one, Teladoc, great company in the healthcare space, health tech space, and they're going to grow even more, even after the pandemic, as more people are coming on to telemedicine, and these guys are really creating a moat for themselves with their software systems, with training people on the software systems, with acquisitions of clinics. This company has a lot of potential. As a stock, I think this is just a fantastic company to invest in. They've dropped quite a bit from their top around 300 to 178, and I still believe that they have a good 50% potential to grow. Just some financials for the company. The sales are pretty solid, or 1 billion. Their market cap is 27 billion. I do believe that this is one of the next $100 billion companies in the healthcare space. The price to sales ratio to their sales is not too bad for the industry. Low debt to equity, which is always good. Sales the past 5 years have done pretty well. The quarter-over-quarter growth is amazing. And you can see that it's dropped over 40% from its 52-week high. And it's still up over 30% from its low. So there's a lot of potential in this stock for the long run. And if you were to buy this stock, if you go back, I think this is a good price point to buy it. And you could probably put your stop loss at around, I would say 140-ish, or even like 150, like just down here, like, you know, at the 150 bar. I think that this is a great company to invest in for the long run. That's the approach you should take with a company like this. In the next few years, I can anticipate them to double in value, if not triple. So definitely a great stock to look at. So that's the first one out of our list for the growth stocks that I'm buying this month. All right. And the second one is VALE. This is also a stock alert we've sent out to our paid subscribers. And you guys can get into this company. It's in the metals and mining industry, and it's a Brazilian company. You can see that it's gone from the low of about $7 all the way to $18 in just a matter of 12 months. And it's starting to have another breakout. So a lot of great potential here, but let's look at the financials real quick, right? Market cap is 100 billion. Their sales are 37 billion. Their price to sales ratio is only 2.64. Again, this company has a lot of potential, and I think they're going to continue to grow. So this is, in my opinion, one of the stocks that can 2x in value. But if we just look at how they've done over their quarter over quarter sales, that's grown by 92%. Earnings per share has grown by over 175%. So that's amazing, those kind of numbers. Low debt company, great potential here, and definitely a stock to look into. So if you buy it at the current price, you can probably put your stop loss around here at like 15.9 or so. And that was the alert that we sent out to our paid subscribers as well for this stock. Another stock that we're buying is KLIC, semiconductors space. I just think that this space is so hot. You don't want to miss it out, especially right now with the demand and the decrease in supply. All these stocks are just shooting up like crazy. It's gone from like 20 to 54 in literally just a matter of months. And it's had this recent breakout. So it's creating a good opportunity. You could probably buy it at this level at about like, I would say $42 as a stop loss and just, hold on to this stock. A couple of financials things, a very low market cap for a huge space, right? It's only $3 billion. I think their TAM, the total addressable market, is much, much higher than that. They have pretty solid sales. Their price to sales ratio is low for the semiconductor space. This company, in my opinion, is in the next few years can easily double in value. So no debt whatsoever, which is great. Sales and earnings have been fantastic over the last quarter. And just the company is on a tear, right? It's grown exponentially over the past year. It's up over 170% from its last year's low. So huge potential here, guys. Definitely look into it. And also let me know what you think about Click, right, as a company itself. Another one, again, semiconductors, they're just breaking out right now, and these stocks are creating some great opportunities. You could possibly buy this with a stop loss at 35. And COHU has had another huge tear right here. You can just see like how it's grown from, practically 300% gains. If you look at the financials, low market cap with a huge, addressable market, good sales, price to sales ratio is pretty decent. You're seeing the sales and earnings per share grow a lot, which is awesome. And yeah, it's up over 297% from its 52-week low. I think that this company has a lot of potential. Again, in my opinion, this is another stock that could very well be a 2x potential in the long run. So a good investment. If you just put a little bit of your money into it, you don't have to put everything into it. But even in the short run, I think we can see a good 20 to 25% upside in this kind of a stock that has so much potential for run. All right, next, and finally, I would say that this is the last stock on my list, is a company that I love and I think it has so much value, is NVIDIA, right? And we can see again in the semiconductors space, it's growing, it's breaking out, and I think that this right now might be a good opportunity to just buy it. You can just put a stop loss at about 450, and this stock I think will just continue to grow. But even as an investor, right, with more requirements for chips, for AI, for crypto mining, these guys are leading the way, right? And if you look at their market cap, it's at a 338 billion. I genuinely believe after the FANG stocks, this is the next company that has the most potential to become a $1 trillion company. Just throughout, right? You see that, their earnings per share quarter by quarter is up 50%. Sales are up 61%. Despite this market cap, despite their sales being huge, right? Gross margin is positive, operating margins, profit margins, it's all in place, right? They have cash coming in. They're doing exceptionally well with it. The company is up over 120% from its 52-week low. This is a great company to invest in. If you're looking for a 20 to 25% gains, you can definitely, I believe, get that in the short run. But in the long run, as an investor over the next 3 to 5 years, I do believe that this company has the potential to become a $1 trillion business. And really, guys, that's all that I have. Simple video. We talked about a few growth stocks that I'm buying this month in April. And I hope that you guys enjoy this. If you did, please like and subscribe and do comment if there's any other stocks you want me to do analysis on. And sign up to INVESTOFY's free alerts and enjoy. Take care, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.